Hello everyone, I hope you all are taking good care of your health at your home. A very good health is important for us for our growth and development. So today in this video I am going to give you a short summary on the lesson Good Health.
This is the mind map of the lesson. Food components. There are three main components of food. They are nutrients, water and roughage. The five main nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Based on their function, nutrients can be classified into three main groups. They are energy giving nutrients, body building nutrients and protective nutrients. Energy giving nutrients includes carbohydrates and fats. Body building nutrients include protein and protective nutrients includes vitamins and minerals. Apart from these nutrients, water and roughage are also very important for our body. Water circulates nutrients to all parts of the body and roughage helps in digestion. A diet including all the nutrients in right quantity is called as a balanced diet. The best way to understand the suitable amount of food items to eat on a daily basis is by looking at the food pyramid. In addition to balanced diet, it is also important to exercise regularly and to take enough rest. Exercise increases the blood flow and it strengthens the bones and muscles. So, a balanced diet, regular exercise and enough rest are key to good health. Next, we have seen about diseases. Disease is a condition when the body or its parts do not function normally. Diseases can be divided into two main types: communicable or infectious diseases and non-communicable diseases or deficiency diseases. First, let's see communicable diseases. Diseases that spread from one person to another are known as communicable diseases. Bacteria, virus and protozoa are the germs that causes infectious diseases or communicable diseases. And examples of such diseases are typhoid, cholera and malaria. Under this we have seen modes of transmission of diseases, and these includes air, water, the food we eat, insect bites and direct contact. Next is prevention of these diseases. We must keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Vaccination is an effective way of preventing communicable diseases. Next is non-communicable diseases. These are also called as deficiency diseases, and these are mainly caused by deficiency of a particular nutrient. Examples of these type of diseases are night blindness caused by deficiency of vitamin A, beriberi, scurvy, goiter, anemia, rickets and osteoporosis.
So I hope the lesson is very clear to you. Again, in the coming classes, we will be doing many interesting activities in this chapter. So the first one is drawing a food pyramid. You can draw the food pyramid in a chart, or you can make a PPT of the food pyramid, do a presentation in the class. Next one is, we all know now we are all affected by a pandemic, corona, COVID-19. Yes, so, and many countries have developed different vaccines for coronavirus. So what you should do is, you have to find the names of vaccines developed by different countries. And the third activity is, I will divide your class into a group of 4, and then what you have to do is, one group has to prepare a meal menu for a school going child, and next group will be preparing a meal menu for a farmer, and the third group a meal menu for a computer engineer, and the fourth group a meal menu for an athlete training for Olympics. So see you all during interactive session. Bye bye. Take care.